In this video, we'll walk through the complete online registration and initial setup of your solar monitoring system. To begin, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type SOLARMAN Smart. Locate the official app, tap Install, and once the download is complete, open the app to get started. When the app opens, select Register to create a new account. Enter the required information shown on screen, then create a secure password. Once all fields are completed, tap Register to finish setting up your account. After registration, you'll arrive at the home screen. Because this is a new account, no devices are connected yet. When prompted to add your first device, tap Start to begin. The app will now guide you through a network setup step. You must have a 2.4 GHz network from your router. Open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the required network. This may be your home Wi-Fi network or a temporary hotspot created by the solar data logger. A stable connection is necessary, so the app can locate and configure your monitoring hardware. Once successfully connected to the internet, the inverter may take 3 to 10 minutes to be reflected in the app. You'll now see the device management screen. The app will search for the data logger connected to your inverter. Confirm that the serial number shown matches the label on your device, then proceed to link it to your account. Next, you'll be prompted to name your inverter and data logger. Choose a clear descriptive name, such as main house inverter or garage system. Then tap Confirm to save. You can now add a site or system nickname. This helps you easily identify your system throughout the app. Enter a name that makes sense for your location, then tap Save. This step is optional, but recommended. For better support, select Invite Member and add Fortress Power. This allows our team to assist with troubleshooting, system checks, or warranty support if needed. You may skip this step if preferred. Open language and region settings. Select your preferred language to ensure menus and alerts display correctly. Navigate to the Report section. Here, you can view your system's energy production and performance. Switch between daily, monthly, yearly, or total views to track your system over time. Lastly, open Display Settings. Select your preferred energy units, date format, and time display. Tap Save to apply your preferences. Your setup is now complete. For additional assistance, please visit us at fortresspower.com/support. Thanks for watching.